These dumbbell leg moves look the same, but they're not. Here's why. Save this and come back stronger. Want stronger legs? Leg extensions hit more than just one muscle. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, abs. Save this and come back stronger. Want to build glutes, quads, and inner thighs? Here's how with hack squats. Glutes. Quads. Inner thighs. Save this and come. Placement controls your hamstring shape, not your weight. Wide stance. Narrow stance. Shoulder width stance. Save this and come back stronger. This 1 foot rotation changes the entire leg extension. Watch closely. Toes out. Toes in. Toes up. Save this and come back stronger. If your knees hurt, try these 3 exercises today. Save this and come back stronger. Most people do calf raises wrong. Let's fix that. Save this and come back stronger. Using the Smith machine the same way every time. Watch this. Inner thighs, glutes and hamstrings. Outer thighs. Quads, glutes and hamstrings. Mid-front thigh. Save this and come back stronger. This 1 foot rotation changes the entire leg extension. Watch closely. Toes out. Toes in. Toes up. Save this and come back stronger. Your foot position decides what muscles you actually hit. Here's how. Adductors. Vastus lateralis. Quads. Front quads. Glutes and hamstrings. Save this and come back stronger. Stop squatting wrong. This small heel lift changes everything. Save this and come back stronger. One wrong move in your squat can destroy your knee. Vastus lateralis. Adductors. Front quads. Quadriceps. Front quads. Save this and come back stronger.